Here's an affiliate marketing pro tip to help you make more money as an affiliate, even if you're a beginner. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondacks. I've been making money online full-time for over 20 years. Affiliate marketing is my favorite business model, and it's always my first recommendation for people looking for a way to make more money. Hey, before we get going, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about making money affiliate marketing. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So if you are new to affiliate marketing, this is the business model where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid. There are affiliate marketing programs for almost everything. You may have already bought something through an affiliate offer. I love affiliate marketing. It's how I sail most days in the summer and ski most days in the winter while I'm making money. Affiliate marketing can be simple. No special skills are needed. Anyone can do it. It takes minimal time at your convenience. It's ideal for busy people. And most importantly, you can make serious income if you promote the right affiliate opportunity and do it the right way. So with that in mind, here's my pro tip to make more money affiliate marketing. Do not market affiliate offers that only pay out small one-time commissions. See, small one-time commissions of only a few percent have been the norm in affiliate marketing for years. Check out some of the big affiliate programs to see what I mean. Amazon, they pay out commissions ranging from 1 to 10%. Or Walmart, most commissions are 1 to 4%. Or Rakuten, their baseline commission is 4%. And these are one-time commissions. One sale earns one commission. The problem is, to make significant money with affiliate marketing programs like these, you have to make a lot of sales every day. Well, let's get real. Most people, especially beginner affiliate marketers, just can't do that. To make real money affiliate marketing, you need to only promote high-demand affiliate products the right way and this is key, only promote affiliate marketing offers that pay out big commissions and long-term recurring or passive income too. Well, here's what I recommend. I built this business myself for over 4 years now. It might be a great fit for you too. It's a really unique affiliate marketing opportunity. We promote 4 high-demand digital products ranging in price from $10 to $1,000. And the company pays us an industry-leading 80% commissions. 80%. Some of the highest commissions in all of affiliate marketing. Remember, most affiliate commissions are only a few percent. So with these 80% commissions, you can make as much as $800 on a single sale. That can add up fast. And our company also pays out passive or recurring income too on 3 of the products. That's money that can keep coming in month after month for the sales you make each day. Imagine still getting paid months from now for the sales you make today without having to put in any additional effort. This affiliate business only takes minutes a day. It's ideal for busy people looking to make more money around a current job, raising a family, or other things in life. You'll have your own high-converting online sales funnel, lead capture pages, sales pages, and emails to send out. Yours will be just like the one I use, but personalized to brand and promote you. All the techie stuff's done for you. You don't have to create anything. This marketing system automates your business. It's how we make more money in minimal time. And because this is all done online, you can put that time in when it's convenient for you, even if that's at 3 in the morning. You can do this from almost anywhere you want to be. All you need is a computer or smartphone and internet access. I even do it while I'm out sailing. This affiliate opportunity comes with excellent training and support, including a great training website with dozens of how-to videos and our unique Quick Start strategy, which is how many new people make money their first day. We hold daily, live, interactive conference calls on Zoom led by industry leaders. And these Zoom calls are recorded to watch later if you can't be there live. You will learn everything from free traffic and lead generation strategies to converting more leads into sales. We have a great Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. Plus, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You'll never wonder about what to do next. Making money affiliate marketing is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. I will show you how you can build a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day. So to learn more of my affiliate marketing pro tips and to start making more money today, go to makemorefaster.com.